What's up, replayers? Jose. What's up, Mason? What's up? What up, what up, what up? Yo. Code de la mode. What's up? So guys, we're writing out a nice long position. Nice. Gains. Gains. What up, guys? Good morning. I wanted to give you guys an update. We are finishing up the last few tests on the back end for Prime. Thank you for the invitations, guys. Thank you for the invitations. Awesome. Hey, April. Appreciate those invitations, guys. That's what is getting everything going. Get some momentum in the room. Get some energy in the room when we're here. We're killing pips. Let it be known. Let it be known. If we are in the market, we are winning. Let that be known. Yeah. Well, if you're not already long, Mason, then we await the next signal. So our play is to await the next signal. But guys, we were up. I haven't slept at all yet last night. I did not sleep at all. I've been up. You can see how Prime is currently long. We got this huge candle coming up. Wow. Love it, baby. Woo. Love it. Candlestick boners, hey baby, you know how we do it. Boom. Can I get a hashtag candlestick boner? You saw that move? Someone's adding money to the euro. Alright, it's going to retrace most likely, guys. Right, we're coming up to this 14. So, if we get a nice signal to go short, yeah, someone got really excited. Because we popped through that fib level, so everybody wanted to take advantage of that. So you see right here, we have two sig levels acting as support, and that's why we got that movement when it went through the fib. You saw how much momentum. That was automated trading at its best right there. Just automatic buy orders right there. Nice. Yeah, with moves like that, guys, you got to be quick on the gun. If you see it pop 30, 40 pips, then just sell it. Do not hold on to it because it will retrace. You see the retracement happening? You see that retracement? You saw that, right? Right there, 20 pips retracement. Or sorry, 10 pips retracement right there.
There are two camps of DQ S'mores Blizzard lovers. Camp S'mores and the new Camp Oreo S'mores. Camp S'mores. Camp Oreo S'mores. Camp S'mores.
Alright guys, so the update is this. I wanted to give you guys, we're finishing the last tests on the Prime backend. I got one nice video waiting for you guys. Hashtag boom up in this. What's everybody up to, man? What's everybody up to? Happy Monday, everybody. Everybody ready to make some money? Well, here's what you do. Prime was playing the long off of that sig level. Alright, so if you weren't long from the sig level, yeah, booming. And cousin, business is booming. That's a good movie right there. That's a great quote by Brad grab pip as well. So you don't take this signal unless we are close to the sig level and it busts through the sig level going up and prime is long. In that instance, that's when you would have taken the signal. So right now we sit on our hands and we're waiting for the short. The sig level is right there. We got two sig levels right here. Boom, boom. Alright? You can never tell what the price is going to do. That's why the algorithm is calculating things for us. You can't tell by looking at the candle. You cannot tell by looking at it. Money Mike. I like that name. Money Mike's in the house. Money Mike. What up? This is the 1 hour chart. Euro USD. Grace Sams, how are you? Welcome to the room. Welcome to the room where we kill pips. We are known as the pip killers. If you would like to kill pips as well, you should probably stay in the room. Unless you get intimidated by the candlestick boner, then you might not want to stay in this room. Nitty B. Don't be intimidated, baby, Nitty. Don't be intimidated. This is a nice move right here, guys. Woo. Damn. As soon as I came in the room, this thing started getting anxious. It was like it sensed me getting on Periscope. Yeah, I know, right? The faint at heart. They come in the room, they get intimidated by that candlestick boner, they're like, I'm out. Look at this candlestick, baby. I like it. I like it. Oh, look at that. Look at that. No, you're not. You're not going to go through that fib, baby. Whew. Yeah, we were long from the SIG. We were long from the SIG. And right now, I'm exiting right now. 1437. If you were long, get out at 1437. Even if it goes higher, don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. Just get out. Yeah, don't worry about that. Damn, I gotta redo my screen because it's literally off the chart. You see that? Candlestick literally off the friggin' chart, baby. Candlestick off the chart. So if you guys were long, you should be out right now. This is your second chance and you're probably your last chance. Get out. Boom. Hashtag boom. Hashtag boom. Welcome to the show, baby. Welcome to the Pip Killing Show. Can we get some invites? Hey, just keep inviting people like a pest, man. That's what you gotta be. People should be in this room, man. People should be in this room. Killing pips. Killing pips. Saul, what up? What up, Saul? We're killing pips in here. We are killing pips. What's up? What's up? You see the retracement off the fib, right? Thanks for the invites, guys. Yeah. Dum-de-dum. Excuse me, guys. My throat is dry, man. I haven't been asleep. Now, if you got out at that 14, 37, 36 level, you played it smart. It doesn't matter if this candle goes up another 20 pips. We don't care about that because you can't play hindsight, okay? The only thing that you can play is knowing that most other traders are going to be selling right at this fib level. Make sense? So you can't live in hindsight or remorse or any of those negative emotions. As a matter of fact, the big money right now, if we see Prime go short here, I'm willing to bet a lot of big money is taking short positions here. But we don't go short yet because we haven't gotten the signal. We still got to know in our mind that even if we don't catch the top of the candle, it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. We're still playing the algorithm, okay? The signal will be when the line crosses next to the bar going downward. Yeah, the algo is still long right now.
A camp for the traditionalist and a camp for the adventurist. Which s'mores camp will you be in? Try the s'mores and...
But you see, the reason why it's having difficulty at this level is because there's still a lot of people selling here. Does that make sense? Boy, I'm glad I hopped on when I did. Yeah, baby, spread the love. Spreading love is what we're about. Yeah, guys, I love those hearts. Thank you. Let's try and hit 250K on the hearts. We've got some candles in the house. We've got some candles in the house. Man, what a move. That was a powerful move, guys. You know, guys, before this move starting at 7 a.m., Prime was already up 90 pips. Look at that. We're still going up. Crazy. All right. What a move, man. What a move. None of you guys should be long at this point, though. You guys know that, right? None of you guys should be long at this point. The risk versus reward at this point is changed, okay? If you were long from the 1410 level, then you can keep long. But if nobody should be going long here, nobody. Right. Exactly, Eddie. Because the risk-reward parameters have changed. The risk-reward parameter is different here at the top than it was by the SIG level. Okay? Now the reason why it's not sinking down quickly is because we cleared that fib level, the 100 fib level. So it could go higher, but no traders are going to like the risk reward profile of this candle right here. We're likely to see a turnaround on the next candle, if not this candle. Mason, I expect you to show me a picture of the plantation that you buy, okay? I expect a framed plantation picture. Man, talk about the same commercial over and over. Yeah, baby. The only thing I hunt is fish, really. All right, you see a sig level forming right here, 1440 live. Four wheeling, yeah, baby. All right, 1440 sig level right there. Alright guys, so this is where we would be switching our signal. We let 2 more ticks go by. 1, 2. And now we switch our signal. Short at 1440. I just want this shit to get so boring. I just want these trades to just get so boring that it's like, I don't know. It's like Jordan shooting free throws, hopefully. A lot of volatility around this level, man. I want it to get boring. I want it to be such a shot in the barrel. We hit fish. No matter where we shoot in the barrel, it's just hitting fish. We're just killing pips. Yeah, it never does get old. Man, what a move, huh? What a move. I want this to slice right through that fib level, hopefully. We're not there yet, man. We can't get cocky. We didn't have... The day is not in the bag yet, fellas, so don't get cocky. Yeah, we're short, 1440. Now, we're just going to ride it until Prime says otherwise. I don't think we're going to get a full retracement down to the previous fib. I think we'll get a nice retracement, but I don't think it'll be a full retracement. It's going to be stepwise on the way down. Come on, baby. If this doesn't get you excited, man, Kobe, let me tell you something, Kobe. You ain't as exciting as this, Kobe. This is more exciting, Kobe. Cool J Rod in the house, what up? Hey, hey. Lots of volatility in the market today, guys. Wow. Wow. Monday taking no prisoners. Monday taking no fucking prisoners. Guys, we were up 90 points when this candle opened. I mean, 90 pips when this candle opened. From 1380 all the way up to 1437. 57 more pips. So we're up 147 pips right now. 147 pips, baby. Woo! Come on, take out this fib, baby. Come on, take it out. Come on. Slice through it like a samurai. Samurai, come on. Pip seduction. Yeah, man, this is like this is a stubborn trade right here. And you see there's a lot of indecisiveness. When it hits that fib, there's still a lot of buy orders on that fib. SRR, what up? What up, what up, what up? Very stubborn price action, man. I'd be shitting myself right now if Prime wasn't short. See, and you see how we control risk though, guys? If this position reverses on us, then, you know, we just reverse with it. We placed a short at 1440, and then we would just go long at 1440, and then we could reverse it again. But the power is in knowing... I didn't see that comment, sorry. The power is in knowing that we're never going to hop on a trade and watch it go against us like that candle just did. Do you know how many people were still short? Do you know how many people went short at 1415 Fibonacci and watched that candle just take money out of their account? Tons, baby. Tons of people went short at 1415 at that fib level thinking, hey man, I'm a fib trader. I'm a 100% fib trader, baby. You can't beat me when I'm using the fib. You can't. You can't beat me. Yeah, dude. No, you can't let a demo account freeze on you. You can't let any account freeze on you when you're live. You might have to get a different processor. What a stubborn trade, man. Lots of buyers at that 0 fib level. See, at this point, it's kind of going back and forth. This is a SIG level, this 1440 level. But if we get a pop from here, at least we know it's not going to go against us by a lot. Okay, so we could go long here, but it's only 3 pips, 4 pips against us. Yeah, Mikey, you would have to join the program. So we still know that the 1440 is a SIG level. I didn't see that comment. Sorry, guys. Yeah, most people are at work. So you see how the SIG level acts as a magnet for the price in most cases. Right now we're topping out. This is a slow, stubborn trade, man. At this point with this price movement, I would just tell you guys to get out. Because you see that volatility? Lots of volatility, man. Lots of volatility. I mean, I want to talk to you guys really quick. You see that, like, the issue with most systems is that they won't tell the trader when to go short, when to go long, and when there is indecision between the two, you know? There is usually not a decisive long-short at any given moment in the market. It's the price action. It's a constant battle between buyers and sellers that makes it such. And then eventually what will happen is the order flow will just take over one way or the other. And boom, that's the fire. But the fact of the matter is, you know, Prime is saying short. Prime is saying short. Prime is saying the risk to the upside is not that heavy. You know, and if we lose a few pips on the turn, if we lose the 5 or 6 pips, I'm okay with that, man. We just took, you know, we're still up 135 plus pips. And now Prime is short. I'm trying to give you guys, I wanted to see something. I've been doing a lot of work. I'm halfway asleep. So Prime is short, guys. You see the short working out? You guys see it? You see the short working out? Come on, baby. Who do you know that murders pips like this? Come on. Who do you know? I just want their name, their number. I want to say, I also murder pips. Oh, you like to murder pips? I am also a pip murderer. We're turning this into a pip massacre. Fitness boss, who's that? Who that? Who that? Oh, that's me. Haha. Haha. Thank you guys. Hey, if you guys knew how many people told me to F off to get to this point, you'd be laughing like I'm laughing right now. Trust you me. I went through a lot of shit to get to this point. I walked through a couple hectares, what is it, of swampy shit to get to this point. Let me tell you. Let me tell you. Yes. Absolutely right. Absolutely right, Eddie. And everyone will think your ideas are completely worthless. Completely worthless, man. Yeah. Hey, I like when people don't believe it at this point, because it's at this point I don't need people to believe it. Right? It's not like we have to chase believers at this point, guys. Stubborn price action, man. Yeah, cool. Of course I did. Took me 8 years of coding. I guess that's what some people perceive as value these days. But if that is your perception of value, I'd hate to see your bank account, baby. If that is your perception of value. Pip twerking. I know there's more than, 7 people out there that need to be seeing this. I just can't explain where they're at. Where are they at? Where are they at? Where's everybody at? Where's the hustlers? I see all these people posting on Instagram, I'm a hustler, I'm a hustler, I'm a hustler. Where do you hustle, man? Are you hustling on Xbox? We're not talking about World of Warcraft coins here. Bed hustlers, pillow hustlers. They're hustling the pillow is what they're hustling. Man, I haven't seen a pillow in 38 hours, dude. I haven't seen a pillow in 38 hours. I know I'm going to crash hard. I got a workout today, too. I got a workout with 3 beasts this afternoon on the gymnastics rings. So I'm going to have to grab some sleep before that. But I wanted to hop on here with you guys and just give you some free pips. I want to be Santa Pip Claus. Man, you never know what tomorrow brings. So while we've got it, we've got to really flaunt it as well as use it. Tomorrow could be the end of everything. So while we're here, we're going to make our mark. Hey, Cad. Hold on 1 second. I want to see if we get some movement in this. It's tricky when we're around a fib level like this because there's a lot of volatility. Yeah, definitely, man. I'm gonna actually later on this year I'll be putting out a fitness video. But I'll be honest, you gotta go where your highest margin is, and right now, here's the fact of the matter. If I put out a fitness video, it'll be a pretty damn good fitness video. I know a lot more than most of these guys out there. But there are still other fitness videos out there, right? There's only one Prime, baby. There's only one Prime. There's no other Primes out there. So you gotta put all your money when you know that something's gonna take off. Diversification does not work well if you know something's gonna work. All right, that's when you know that something is amazing. All right, Elon Musk put 100% of his PayPal money into Tesla and SpaceX. 100% of it. He doubled down and he took out loans to keep Tesla running. Now you look at Tesla's stock price the last 5 years, when it had that pop, that's what made him a billionaire, because he was so convicted about that play. Right, there is no plan B, guys. When you got something that has so much leverage, do not make a plan B. It will only take away from plan A. No type. Well, I have one type. Killing pips is my only type. Killing pips is the only thing that I like. I'm meditating these pips into my bank account. Jack Sparrow, this is better than a treasure chest full of gold coins, baby. This is the real booty. Welcome, welcome. I need another cup of coffee, man. Man, what moves today, guys? Woo! Damn. Jose, money never sleeps, and neither do I. Just kidding, just kidding. I'm eventually going to crash. I'm eventually going to get my Z's, but first we're going to get pips. First I want to hit 200 pips today, and then I can sleep. Priorities, yes. I really, early this morning I made such an obnoxious scope, man. I was calling people out. Everybody knows who I'm calling out, too. I don't give free publicity, so we don't mention names, but I'm just basically calling everybody out. Tired of seeing these guys with massive followings not do anything in the market, man. Like, they don't even come online. They don't give anybody any trades. Never seen them take a trade. I don't know. The blind leading the blind. Yeah. Well, I started saving the emails that people email me and say, you know, a lot of the emails they send, hey man, can you help me? I'm only down like to 25% of my original account. They burn 75% of their account and then they come and ask for help. It's like, dude, you lost 75% of your account. That means you have to make like 400% to get back, to break even. Because now you're at, you know, $25. Well, trading is the ultimate feedback mechanism, baby. Woo! Come on, Candle. Come on, baby. Trading is the ultimate feedback mechanism because you will get robbed blind if you do not know what you're doing. I mean, There are no more cards to be stacked against someone than in this market. I mean, look at Forex, man. High leverage. You could go high leverage. I told you guys I saw a guy lose $25,000 in a single day, right? At the prop trading shop that I used to be at. 25 grand in one day, then he comes back the next week, gets another 25 grand loan from his dad, and loses 25 grand. Get this, trading the same stock, 1 week right after the other, lost 50 grand. Idiot. The first 25 grand was his bar mitzvah money. The second 25 grand was a loan from his dad. I mean, he's got money, but nobody has, you know, obviously if he wanted to trade, he wanted to try and show his dad something. You know, try and make his dad proud, but the market does not give a shit who you are. Yeah. The market does not care who you are. It will take your money just as easily if you're a nice person. Well, see, that's the thing. I mean, there's a constant flow of people into the market that think they can beat the market. And the fact is that if you don't have an algorithm, you cannot beat the market. I mean, emotions will always get the best of you. Yeah. You learn really, really quick. Really, really quick. So guys, this type of price action, S. Norton, what up? This type of price action is indicative of a reversal. We're probably going to get another pop up. If this doesn't head down, we'll probably get another pop up before we head back down. You guys understand that? Now, how do I know that? That is not Prime telling me that. That is from pattern recognition from just watching price movement for 10 years. The fact that it's hanging around this fib level and it hasn't really been able to really get past it is indicative that we'll probably get another pop up and then a pop down. White candle. These are cyan. These are supposed to be cyan. It looks white just because of the contrast on the periscope, but these are actually cyan green. What? Yeah, well, that's why it's good to test out the account. You should tell them. Do you have enough RAM in your computer? Jose, it may be that you don't have enough RAM in your computer and it freezes. Yeah, maybe get rid of some apps on your phone. Your phone needs RAM too. Oh, well, that's not good. Because you don't know if it does that in the real account too. Good question. Chosen words. You could do either. You know, at this point, we're already up around 150 pips, 145 pips. So I'm not in a position where I have to de-risk. So I just keep myself personally. I'm just keeping the trade on. If it was someone who hasn't won, that hasn't won much today, and you're, I think it's important to walk away every day a winner because it boosts your psychology for the next trading day. So if a person only had a small winning at this point, I would say take the gains. This way you can boost your morale for tomorrow and make sure that you end your day before noon and on a win. Guys, it's 10:30 and we're up 150 pips. By 10:30, we just keep getting better. We just keep getting better. I tried to say that like a Scottish. Just keep getting better. Oh man, I'm just hoping this move gets done by 12 o'clock so I can take my siesta. I need a big time siesta before this workout, man. Too British. Yeah, the power naps are paramount. Paramount. Nothing will teach you discipline like a trader, man. Especially when you're winning. Like, when you're winning, you'll want to stay up every fucking hour of the day because you want to get in that trading time. I mean, if I was like, it's 9:30, nothing's going to happen in the morning, I'm going to take a nap, we would have missed out on like over 50 pips. I mean, the real goal is to make so many pips in a month that you can take an entire month off. Yeah, that's right. We haven't lost once yet, but I don't speak it because you know what happens when you speak it. That's like the universe takes that shit as a challenge. It's like, oh yeah, you think you're good? Huh? Huh? Kind of like slapping you. You think you're good? Huh? You think you're good? All right, I'll show you. I'll show you. I'm telling you, once your ego gets lit, that's when shit gets really, really hectic. So I will not let I'll get excited. You guys will see me get excited, but you won't see my ego get lit. You will not see that happen. I'm not at my goals. I'm not anywhere near my goals yet. I'm not anywhere near my goals yet. Yep. Yeah, Mason, we're still short from 1440. Man, this trade going so slow, my cat done fell asleep. Well, if you fall asleep trading, that means you must be winning because most people are having heart attacks right now. Yeah, that candle last night, that was a good candle, man. Golly, this trade is just... If we switch directions, though, I told you guys, like, that's the play. We get a small switch in the direction, and then possibly head down from there. Because what will happen is that right now there may be a lot of short orders, but there's also a lot of orders to go long. All right, so the price level at 1437 fib, algos of like all different types of valuation models are placing. They're just hitting that line with buy and sell orders: buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell. So when they get going again, that's when the price retraces up. That's when a lot of orders are coming into the market. Okay? Price goes down, that's when the sell orders are taking over. Price goes up, there's a little bit more buy orders. But at some point, all of the sell orders and buy orders one of them is going to exhaust first, right? And so the liquidity is going on one side of the, either the bid or the ask is going to dry up, and one side is going to win out. That doesn't necessarily happen on one candle. So what could happen is, right here, buyers come in at, around this level and possibly shoot it back up over the fib. But at some point, one side is going to win. Either the bears or the bulls are going to win. Passing out at like 4 a.m. I got work to do. I've got to start DJing on Periscope. And I don't even know how to DJ, man. If you guys don't hear from me for like 30 seconds, that means I fell asleep. And start commenting or hearting it up, so this way maybe the flashing screen would wake me up. Mini power nap. What? I know, man. Wolf. I've been wolfing down coffee. Wolfing down the coffee. Ali Yava. No problem, buddy. No sugar black as last night. No sugar black as night. I like that. Yeah, black coffee is how I roll, man. I only drink 2 different brands of coffee. Joe's. Have you guys ever seen Joe's? It's like an organic coffee. Very good brand. And then also the Fresh Market. I don't know if you guys have them where you live, but it's kind of like a Whole Foods knockoff. My Star, how are you? My Star, how are you? Welcome to the room. My name is Jay Salvati. I am a currency trader. What you're seeing here is we're basically trading Forex. And we kill pips daily. We call it killing pips because they just don't stand a chance. But yeah, thanks for popping in the room. I always say hi to new people in the room. You may or may not know what's going on, or you may or may not be into trading Forex, but we welcome everybody. Even if you just want to, grab some energy from us, feel free to ask questions if you don't know what's going on. What's up, Adrian? We are also DJ insider trading. I don't know. I don't know anything about that yet. I mean, we're already winning better than the people that inside trade, so yeah, I can see how, we might have to start taking intentional losses here, guys. If shit gets too good, we might have to start looking like it ain't really that good. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying, man? We're so good, we have to intentionally lose. I love it. I love it. I love it, man. Ay, ay, ay.
Red Lake here from Good Mythical Board. Our friends at M&M's are celebrating their 75th anniversary, so we teamed up to create the Mythical Game. Each week we'll compete against each other in a crazy competition.
Just to keep them...
Maneuver a maze with the
Yep, hit them hard.
Join us in celebrating with M and click through to watch the game.
Hit them hard, hit them hard. Pretend we're only great. Yeah, we have to take it down a level. Focused. Focused. Keep the trolls at bay. No, trolls live on Periscope. Apparently, right? What's up? Add a touch. What up? Add a touch of pippage. Boom. It's like, you remember Bob Ross used to paint? I'm just gonna paint a little falling pip right here. And right here, I'm just gonna paint a candlestick boner. You see that? Isn't that a nice candlestick boner? And you could paint this too. You could paint this as well. Hey, what's up, buddy? Tell how we work. Tell how we work. Well, basically, you're staring at an algorithm. This is my proprietary algorithm, and we've absolutely killed the market up to this point. We've got a. I can get used to. Yeah, definitely. I don't like when it gets slow like this. You know, I told you guys, like, what ends up happening is when a large move like this just occurs, you know, you get so many traders that are literally, like, just were wiped out. Alright? I mean, that candlestick move up just wiped out, like, you know, 10,000 people. Like, 10,000 people just burnt their account. Because they went short at that fib level. Alright? They put their stop right here. Okay? They went short here. And they're over leveraged and they lost, you know, 6 pips. And when it was going up to here, right? What do? They take away their stop loss. They take away their stop loss and they say, no, it's going to reverse, it's going to reverse, it's going to reverse. Ah, it's not going to reverse. Oh, shit. No! Alright, and when it gets to this fib level, they're saying, hey, man, they liquidate your position automatically. And then what happens is, like, there's silence in the market because all those accounts are just gone. They're just gone, man. Like, a lot of people just lost money on that candle. Get on my level. If life just got hard, it might mean that you just leveled up. Are you guys following me on Instagrams? This is the Euro USD, Adrian. Yeah, so guys, what you're staring at is my proprietary algorithm. It's based on artificial intelligence and a bunch of other data stuffs, okay? Obviously, that's a secret sauce. However, I am making the alert system for the algorithm available today, probably about this afternoon. All right, if you guys are interested in getting alerts on when the system goes long and short, they'll show up right on your phone. It's a 7-day trial. You pay nothing for the first 7 days. Okay, and then after that, it's just $97 a month, which, I mean, we made that back. That $97 we would have made back today if you were even just trading a mini lot with 10,000 units, and you started, if you started trading early, like 4 a.m., you know, you would have made back all that money that you paid for the entire month just in one day. So, you know, when people say, "Oh, is it worth it?" Well, it's all in relation to how much you make, right? So if you're not going to use it, if you're never going to trade, then no, it's not worth it. But if you're going to actually trade, then, well, yeah, the return is going to be insane. $100 per pip. How big of an account? Well, you're going to need to trade a lot size. You're going to need to trade 10 lots, man. So you're going to need to be controlling 1 million units. I didn't see that last comment. So if you have 100K and you've got 10 times leverage, you can control that 1 million units, and you would be making $100 a pip. Diaz. And can I get some chicken wings with that, please? I'm surprised he didn't ask for like a free order of food with it. No, 10 lots. 10 lots. Would you like dressing with that? Yeah, would you like ranch dressing? You know, I mean, the guy was like, I think, Mason, was that you? I think it was Mason, guys. I think Mason was asking for the free month. Then he turns around the next day and makes 5K in a day. Mason. I don't know if he's in here, but I think it was him. That's the funny part. That's the really funny part. So few. So few, you're in the wrong room because we got so many. We got so many pips. We got so many. So many pips. We got pips flowing out of pockets. Yeah, I think Mason was live, man. Yeah, I'm running on caffeine right now. Every day, Adrian. Everybody who comes in this room's like, yeah, that ain't happening. You can't do that. Everybody comes in this room, they're like, nah. I know, guys. I know what the probability is of making money every day. It's not there. But yet we do it. But yet we do it. Yeah, you know, I know for a fact, man, people think it's not true, but that's why I continue really kind of talking trash in that regard. Oh, Maxie. Yeah, Charter Pip Killer. You know, that's kind of why I have to talk the trash, though, because I want people to kind of get almost offended by it, because anyone who's a real trader knows how difficult it is. All real traders know how difficult it is to profit every single day. It just doesn't happen. It doesn't. Like, it's abnormal. And so, it's only a matter of time before people go from criticism to worship, basically. Meister, have a good night. Have a good night. I need to go to bed soon as well. Consistency is one of the toughest things because you're in a market that is, you know, completely irrational. These price movements are irrational. You know, we had that huge spike, all that force comes into the market, all those orders, and all of a sudden now we're dilly-dallying. That's not rational. That's not logical. Yeah, man, tell me about it. I'm gonna make an Instagram post right now, and you guys are gonna laugh. Are you guys all following me on Instagram, by the way? I haven't really posted anything at all regarding trading. Are we going long here? We're going long. Going long. Yeah, you know, when we hover around the SIG level, the way to play that is basically, right now I would go short, let it get 5 pips, and then out. And then just keep doing that, alright? Go long, maybe 2 to 3 pips, and then out. And if you do that a few times and there's no price movement, then just sit on it. Yeah, Adrian. I mean, almost every single indicator or system is going to be short right now. But I told you guys, we could go, if we go short, there's probably going to be a pop somewhere. And then the time to go short will come after the next candle. But you don't have to be in every single trade. You know what I mean? Like, this trade has no force behind it, and you've got to recognize when the price gets around a SIG level, the SIG level is just acting as a magnet. I'm just going to mark the SIG level. So, guys, here's the deal. Alright? In 6 minutes, another candle is going to form. So, at this point, I would be out of the market. And I would be waiting for a signal when the 11 o'clock candle forms in 5 minutes. 5 and change. 5 minutes and change. We'll see what that candle is, okay? Because what happens is, a lot of people don't know this, but a lot more orders flow into the market either at the top or the bottom of the hour. So just remember that, okay? Alright, 5 minutes to 11. Maybe these are orders coming into the market nice and short. So, you see how we're controlling risk, though. We're not letting risk get out of hand. If we're losing, we're only losing like 2 to 5 pips. Wow, Jose. Wow, you see that? Doesn't MT4 have a mobile? If you're having problems with FX, then just try MT4. Come on, baby, sell. Come on, baby. Come on. Come on, sell me all, baby. Come on. There we go. Yeah, so obviously we would have been short at 1440 again, or somewhere between 1440 and 1438. Or we could wait the 3 minutes to see what happens when the next candle forms. Obviously, the choice with less risk is to wait until the next candle. I'd say anywhere from 1 to 2 hours a day. What a candle, man. So you guys got to understand that we're not the only ones that are wondering what's happening at this price level. Just remember that. The algorithms themselves look very confused. Two minutes until the next candle. 2 minutes into the next candle. Two minutes. Did you guys get a chance to read those articles and watch those videos that I told you about? Is that a yay? Very good, Eddie. So what I may do, guys, is because there was such a big move this morning, you know, maybe lunch is a nice time to take a quick nap. Alright, new candle. Bam. So we play this the same way, guys. Yeah, I know, right? Price will not aggregate at this level forever. So, you know, one way to look at it is we know that the market is overbought at this point based upon, you know, what Prime is doing and saying. But if we keep getting to the point of where it keeps retracing, then we just get out. We don't want to play a market that's so confused. You know, we're trying to play the moves before they happen. And right here we could go long again because right now it's long and then wait for the short and then go short again. But we don't want to rack up too many of these small pip losses, right? Alright guys, lunchtime is upon us. I'm going to take a quick nap, try and rest my eyes just a little bit. So that means you guys would be flat right now. All times throughout the day, I'm going to try and get on a schedule. We'll get on a schedule, but right now I'm in the middle of the launch for the algorithm. So all these guys that are on the scope right now, most of them are in the program already. And so I have to finish a couple of editing projects and upload a video. And then I'm going to send out the email for you guys, alright? A few things took a little longer than planned. Adrian, send me an email, info@fitbusinessman.com. Eddie, can you, do you have that saved on a magic clipboard that can save a million things by any chance? Nice, nice. So, you know, right now the algorithm is short, obviously. We could play this short. If you want to play it for 10 pips or something like that. And then just put like a 8 pip stop loss. You could do that. You know, at some point we will get a nice candle retracement. I don't know if it'll happen, you know, between now and 1. Because between now and 1, it's going to lighten up. I wouldn't say for the rest of the day, but definitely during lunch, everything tends to lighten up during lunch. But you just never know. You just never know. I mean, a lot of people ordered, you know, the market up this morning. You know, I want this short to play off, but so there's not much to watch there. Slow. If it changes, then you know, I guess I'll put it back if it changes. But long story short, guys, today we already killed the market. We did very well, yet again, and I gotta say I'm satisfied with how we've done thus far. We're starting to get a little bit of weakness in that candle now. Like I said, sometimes it takes 1 or more candles to actually get the directional pattern done. How many pips at a time do you look for? I don't look for anything specific because the algorithm is controlling whether we take the longs and the shorts. So sometimes it gives great trades when there's a lot of liquidity in the market and there's multiple markets open, then we get great trades. But you know, right now, what markets are open right now? You know, the thing you always got to keep in mind is that when a market closes, there's going to be orders executed at the close, like at 11 o'clock. Pretty sure, was it London that closed? If, I'm so exhausted right now, I can't even think. If a market closes, there's going to be slight liquidity dry up. And so all of a sudden you get, you know, a lack of movement. Yeah, London just closed at 11. So, hold on. Yeah, New York is the only market that's open right now. So, really quick, that's what I just posted on Instagram. That's me drinking coffee and falling asleep while I'm drinking the coffee. Because London closes at 11, and New York is the only market open right now that's trading Forex, that's trading currencies. It happens every day. Don't UT close? What's UT? Don't it, what, London? No, London closes, Frankfurt closes at 10 a.m. and then London closes at 11. Not bad. Get a few more shares in there. Let's get a few more. What will I be back on? Likely tonight, because I gotta finish. Thanks, Eddie. I gotta finish some content for the back end for these guys so they can get in there. We can start getting alerts tonight. I want to make sure that we get that done. We're getting some downward movement in this candle, guys. You see how we just needed to be patient? Right? You see how that happened? We just needed to be patient. We needed to let the longs get exhausted. And then it worked out. Worked out. I love when stuff works, guys. I'm not going to be mad when stuff works. I'm always happy when stuff works, you know? Getting to that point is the mission, though. If we get to the point of where stuff always works, like I said, you know, maybe we do start taking some intentional losses so this way, you know, people don't think we're trying to pull the wool over their eyes. You know, because that will happen. That will happen. People will think that we're trying to pull the wool over their eyes. Anyways. Alright, guys. I'm going to catch a quick Z. And for you guys that want to hold this short, don't go in short right now. You should have been short around the 1440 mark. And right now it's at 1432. Yeah, maybe the tablet is better because maybe it has a faster processor than the phone. Most tablets do. So, just to let you guys know, I'm going to, as soon as I wake up from the Z's, I'm going to continue doing some work on the back end. Yeah, Eddie, you know, it doesn't really, I mean, it is moving southways right now. But, that's okay. We already made a mark. You know, if you make a mark, that's all you can ask for, right? The fact that we've been profitable every single day speaks volumes for the system, for our trading methodology, for our attitude, for our future net worth. We're making all the right moves, and that's all that matters. Thank you, Jose. I'm glad I met you too. Glad I met you too. Alpha Mark. Alpha Mark. Thank you, Diaz. Appreciate that. Appreciate the love, guys. I appreciate the shares. I appreciate the invites, the follows, all that stuff. We're creating a movement here. And like I said, the thing that makes any company great is an outstanding service or product. We've got an outstanding product. I'm going to continue to give outstanding service. That's right. Team Prime's in the house. We might be small right now, but the fact of the matter, and I hate to keep using that word, we might be small right now, but we're making big moves. We're making very big moves. Absolutely. Absolutely. Right now, we are the most profitable traders in this game. And if we stay humble, there's nothing that's going to stop that. Right? Not when we got people that are willing to go the extra mile. No way. Ain't going to stop. So, guys, I'm going to take some quick Z's. You guys give yourself a pat on the back and go over the trades. If you took any trades this morning, go over them and take notes and why you think they were profitable, etc., etc. Just make sure you take good notes. Yeah, I know. Good night, right? It's 11 a.m. in the morning. Yeah, we're already the most profitable, so I'm not worried about that. I'm not worried about that. I'm worried about us getting big heads because we're kicking so much booty right now. That's the only thing that I'm worried about. All right, guys? I will be back in a few hours. I will update you with the back end as soon as things change, as soon as things get updated. Have a nice rest. I will. Thanks, bud. Take care.